Hello everyone, my name is Tyler Davis and this is RAM News. Today's trivia question is, what year was Adobe Photoshop created? 2022 through 2023 Tartan Yearbooks are now available for $75 through December 31st, so visit ybpay.lifetouch.com to place your order. You can also purchase the yearbook from any Tartan team member who your teachers should have the names of. Fellow seniors, make sure to schedule your senior photos before October 29th or they can't be included in the yearbook. Visit www.prestigeportraits.com to schedule your appointment. Additionally, seniors can make their yearbooks even more special by ordering a senior spotlight page. You can place your order at ybpay.lifetouch.com or through a Tartan team member, and prices will vary from $75 to $300 depending on the size of your page. Interested in driver's ed? If so, Florida Safety Institute's free driver's ed program is currently granting Sarasota County school students who have completed the AFSI 6-hour pre-driving course with a driving permit or license. Visit Ms. Casey Jones in room 5236 for more information. RHS will be hosting a college application week in the Student Success Center from September 20th through the 22nd. Students must register to attend. Find out more in the Student Success Center. Coexistence Club will meet tomorrow in Ms. Stockhill's room 5116, where there will be snacks, games, and opportunities for community service. If you go, please bring your friends and permission slips. The school's first blood drive of the season will be next Thursday, September 22nd, starting at 7:45 a.m. The blood bank staff will be on campus during lunches tomorrow and Wednesday to allow students time to sign up, and the bloodmobiles will be parked in the bus loop. Heritage Oaks Golf and Country Club is now hiring with a wage of $12 per hour. They're looking for evening and weekend bussers and/or food runners. If you're interested, please contact the email below. Today's trivia question was, what year was Adobe Photoshop created? The answer is 1990. That's all for now, and have a good day.